Turn on the mhéad agus filter over Asha Harja. Good afternoon and welcome back everyone. Ceist a dóigh. Ceist a dóigh. Question 12. Cavage atá I the Hailach. Cavage atá I the Hailach. How many people, or how many are in your family, but how many people are in your family? Tá X I mo Hailach. There is X amount of people in my family. So in Irish, there are several ways to use numbers. This is the same as English, but we just don't think on it too much. But to give some comedic examples, I have first brother, I have third sisters. Now this isn't the right number system in English, it's the same in Irish. I have one brother, I have three sisters. Now that's English. I'm going to show you how it's done in Irish. So here's a brief example of some of the number systems found in Ireland. We've covered some of these when dealing with time, so some of it should look a bit familiar. So the cardinal, that's the ones we've already counted and covered. 1, 2, 3, etc. Or the examples there, a nige for 0, a chéan for 1, a dó for 2, a 3 for 3. Ordinal. Now, it sounds strange, but we use it all the time for dates in English. First, second, third. And mhéad for first. Now, the second one I spell using the Encaigen Ifigala, the official standard, and dara, but I personally will say and darna, darna. So andara, the second, and andarna, the second. And then the third, an triu, the third. First, second, third. Next are personal numbers, and as you can see, I've highlighted person. These are for counting people. So one person, ein duine a wine. So one person only, or a person only. Ein duine a wine, duine a wine. Two people, birch. Now we're going to continue with this number system because this is the one we're going to need for the next two lessons. And just so you know, this is lesson 12 and 13 combined into one, just so you have this resource available, so you won't have to go to a different video to try and find out what you need. So if tá X I mo Hailach, X equals these numbers in front of you. Personal numbers. Ein duine a wine, or duine a wine, one person. Birch, two people. Trier, three people. Cachrar, four people. Cuiger, 5 people. Shesher, 6 people. Seachtar, 7 people. Ochtar, 8 people. Níonar, 9 people. Deartháir, 10 people. And ein duine dhéag, and dá reg. So ein duine dhéag, 11 people. Dá reg, 12 people. So, time to put it together and tell us how many people are in your family. An important thing to note is that clan is sometimes seen and heard, but this means your children. Your chaithla is the immediate family you grew up with, i.e. your mum, your dad and your siblings, assuming you're lucky to have all three. So tá X I mo Hailach. So an example from mine, from my own family, tá cúigear I mo Hailach. Tá cúigear I mo Hailach. There are 5 people in my family. So moving on to question 13, because we will be using this resource again, so it makes sense to add them together. So ceist a trídeag. Ceist a trídeag. Question 13. Cavage deartháir nó deartháir atá agat. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Níl deartháir nó deartháir arbi agam. I have no brothers and no sisters, only child. Tá deartháir agam ach níl deartháir agam. So I have a brother, but I have no sisters. And in reverse, tá deartháir agam ach níl deartháir agam. So I have a sister, but I have no brothers. So deartháir brother, deartháireachta brothers. Deartháir sister, deartháireacha sisters. E.g. tá beirt deartháireacha agam ach níl deartháir agam. So I have two sisters, but I have no brother. Plural and singular coming together here. Sample Ella, if you have both of these things. Tá trír deartháireacha agam agus beirt deartháireacha agam. So I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. Correct, Niha. That's the lesson done. Well done, everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Slán go foiile, Harja.